Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Let us generate demand and supply zones for the monthly candle opened on 1st September 2023 and closed on 29th September 2023. So entry time frame is monthly. Let us find the stocks which are near to the monthly demand zone. So these five stocks are near to the monthly demand zone. So let's go back. For the monthly time frame, let us filter the stocks which are near to the monthly supply zone. So 6 stocks are filtered. We have only high liquidity zone, that is Z Limited. And remember, the LTF time frame or entry time frame is monthly. So the LTF trend is monthly trend. ITF trend is a quarterly trend. And the HTF trend is a yearly trend. So you should remember these time frames. And this supply zone is already tested twice, 2 times. And also it has a 5 rejections, 5 monthly candles. You should also look into this risk reward. So let's go back. For the monthly time frame, let us filter the stocks where price closed inside monthly demand zone. So this is the filter list. So 12 stocks are closed inside monthly demand zone. So UPL is a near to the C underscore DZ. Excuse me. It is near to C underscore DZ. This is a high probability demand zone. It is already tested 5 times. I wish you all might have gone through NeoStock's high liquidity demand zone video. There I explained this C underscore DZ or C underscore SZ. They are the topmost priority high liquidity zones. And they work very well in quarterly and monthly time frames. And these high liquidity zones are having the capability to change the trend or change the price direction. So that is the reason why you should look into the number of tests. All 5 times it is successful because it is not at pierced. I also told you in that video, you should fine tune this monthly zone to its lower time frame zone, that is daily demand zone. That means inside monthly demand zone, you may find weekly demand zone. Inside that weekly demand zone, you may find daily demand zone. Generally, we accept entry in those zones. But anyway, I'm not analyzing the chart in this video. So please have a look into this chart and find if any suitable daily demand zone is available within this high liquidity zone. So this is the only high liquidity zone available in this list. So let's go back. For entry time frame monthly, let us find the stocks where price closed inside monthly supply zone. We have good number of supply zones are listed. Let me scroll down. So total 35 stocks are filtered where price closed inside these monthly supply zones. So please check the list and identify high liquidity zones, and based on that you can prepare your trade plans. So let's go back. For entry time frame monthly, let us find the tested monthly demand zones. So these 5 demand zones are tested during this week. Let's go back. For monthly time frame, let us filter the tested monthly supply zones. So total 9 monthly supply zones are tested during this month. Look into this counter trend supply zone. It already gave an entry. What is the zone low compared with 640? From 640, the price went down to 568. This monthly closing, last traded price during this month. So it has given a very good return on each share. That is the power of these high liquidity zones. So very nice. And look into these stocks. Some of these stocks having high liquidity supply zones where price closed inside the supply zone. Just analyze and find if there is any trade opportunities you will get at lower time frames. So let's go back. Let us find newly created demand and supply zones during this month. So for monthly time frame, let us find newly created monthly demand zones. So 17 monthly demand zones are created during this week. So these stocks are having newly created monthly demand zones. And most of them are all-time high monthly demand zones. All the stocks marked with dark green color, they're all-time high stocks. I mean, all-time high zones. Because the time frame is monthly, all these dark green color zones are all-time high monthly demand zones. So let's go back. For monthly time frame, let us find newly created monthly supply zones. Only one stock is filtered. So this is the filtered list. Now let me generate demand and supply zones for all the stocks on monthly time frame for your further reference. So I'm selecting the entry time frame as monthly. So without any filters, I'm generating the complete list of the demand and supply zones for all the stocks. First 17 stocks are related to sectorial indices. 1 to 17. And from 18 till the end, these are all equity stocks listed in future segment. Okay, I keep on scrolling this list. Whichever the stock you want to refer, please pause the video and then you can study the parameters related to supply and demand zones for that particular stock. So this is the end of the list. I wish this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. So let us all meet again in our next video. Until then, take care and have a good day.